FocusTrack. FocusTrack includes Spotlight, Active Track, and Point of Interest, POI. Before enabling FocusTrack, make sure the flight environment is open and unobstructed with sufficient light. Tap the FocusTrack icon on the left side of the app. Tap the plus in the camera view. Or drag a box to select the subject on the screen to enable FocusTrack. Spotlight. Spotlight is the default mode once entering FocusTrack. Press the shutter or record button on the remote controller or the screen to take photos or start recording video. Push the left stick up down to change the aircraft altitude. Push the left stick left-right or use the gimbal dial to alter the distance from the subject. Push the right stick up down to adjust the subject position in the shooting frame. Push the right stick left-right to make the aircraft circle the subject. Active Track. The aircraft follows the subject in manual and automatic movement submodes. Manual. The aircraft is manually controlled to fly along a specified trajectory. Automatic movement. The aircraft continuously plans and adjusts the flight path based on the flying environment, automatically completing complex camera movements. Here we take a person as the tracking subject to demonstrate how to use manual. Tap the FocusTrack icon on the left side of the app. Tap the plus to select the subject. Spotlight is enabled by default. Tap Active Track, and Manual is enabled. Tap or slide the trace wheel. The aircraft will then fly the designated route. After reaching the designated position, the aircraft will track the subject in the corresponding direction. When tracking a person, the aircraft automatically detects the shooting scene for optimal composition. Tap the shooting scene icon in camera view to manually select scenes such as standard and cycling. In standard and cycling scenes, tap the upper left corner on the trace wheel to access settings and adjust parameters as needed. You can also use the control sticks to adjust the aircraft, altitude, and distance from the subject. Press the shutter or record button on the remote controller or the screen to take photos or start recording video. Tap the auto icon to switch to automatic movement mode. The aircraft will fly automatically based on the environment. Point of Interest, POI. After selecting the tracking subject, tap POI. Set the flight direction and speed. Aircraft will circle around the point of interest. The aircraft centers the camera on the subject and circles it at a constant altitude. Exiting FocusTrack. After enabling, tap the FocusTrack icon again to exit.